An exciting update from Mystrika today, and today we are introducing GoodBye email, which will run on top of out of office emails and negative sentiment detection. Negative sentiment means not interested, unsubscribe, remove me, and so on and so forth. So without delay, let's go to screen and let me show you how it works. So to enable this, you need to go to campaign settings, settings here, and you need to scroll at the bottom. Here we have couple of features: automatic out of office reply detection. So what does out of office reply detection do? It will automatically delay next email in your sequence by another 7 days. That means, suppose you sent first email and what we received back is a out of office. So Mystrika system will detect, okay, this is out of office, and it will delay the next email in the sequence by another 7 to 10 days. That means next email in the sequence, when it will land in the inbox, prospect would be in office and there is a high chance for you to get a response. Now let's come to the another one. Automatic reply detection. These are responses like automatic ticket has been created or some sort of automatic messages from different softwares that might be generated, and you don't really care about automated responses. So these will be moved to a separate category altogether so that it is not cluttering your Unibox. Now this is the most interesting feature, for it was till last month. What this does is it automatically detects unsubscribe, remove me, not interested, F off, or whatever the guys might be writing. So what we want you to do is we want you to focus on the positive side, the marketing side, the sales side, and let Mystrika deal with the negativity. But then you don't want to lose the sales on those, right? Because how many times you have been told, get lost, and then a prospect saw a video or saw an ad from you and then thought, oh, this was something I really wanted. I cannot even tell how many sales we have got just by saying people that, hey, no worries, man. But just in case you want to grow up or you want to make more sales, you can check this video and let me know your thought. You might find this interesting. I am sure every marketer can relate that even though the prospects say at the first glance, get lost, so many of them come back and tell you that that was the software I have been looking for so long. So what GoodBye mail does is every prospect that we detect as negative sentiment, we will allow you to send one email to them. For example, this is the actual email we sent to the prospects. And now look at this email. It is kind of a slap, but then it gets the conversation going. So it says, I am glad to know your booking slots are jam-packed, but it's really sad to know that you really don't want to scale it further. But just in case you want to scale further, here is a short video. And then we pitch the Mystrika's demo video and what it can do. So let me show you this whole thing in actual action. So I'm in Unibox here, Mystrika's Unibox, and you see Unibox has been improved quite significantly now. So now we have new and viewed. New means these emails have come. These are not in negative sentiments. These are not out of office emails, but I have not checked them. The account owner, Mystrika owner, has not checked these emails yet. Once you check these emails, they will be available under viewed tab. Okay, this allows you to focus only on emails which are coming right now. And all the automatic reply emails, are going to be moved to auto reply tab. For example, automatic reply. These are all automatic reply, no longer at this address, and so on and so forth. So these are emails you are not really interested about. You don't really care about these kind of emails. Out of office emails means, for example, Christmas break, this one, I'm on annual leave. So these prospects will be getting next email after 7 to 10 days. So they will be getting mails when the prospect will be in office. Now this is the most interesting part. Go to not interested. These are the prospects which the system automatically detected that they have asked for unsubscribe, or they have sent a few messages, or they have sent remove me, or so, something like that. So let me show you what it does. This is the message that came. Hello, blah, blah, blah. And this guy said, remove please. And then the Mystrika system automatically said, don't worry, Andre, I am glad to know your booking slots are jam-packed and blah, blah, blah. and then from the sending ID. Now, imagine every time the prospect says a get lost message, they are still getting a last goodbye mail before they are marked as inactive or unsubscribed. So this gives you the last chance to make sure the prospect understands the value. So make sure to make this last email count, make it super attractive, and don't forget to send a link. The reason I'm sending YouTube link instead of a Zoom link or whatever is because if the prospect is using a Gmail or Google based system on the other end, YouTube video links are sent as attachment or just seen as attachment in the email. So the prospect thinks they can just click and they can see the video right then and there in the email. Oh, and one last thing before we end this video. You see these Unibox forwarding and looping? Whenever Mystrika system detects that the email is out of office, not interested, or automatic reply, these will not be triggered. That means your email loop will be clear. If you use, for example, email forward for notifications, you will not be disturbed with out of office emails, negative sentiment emails, or automatic reply emails. Just let Mystrika do its thing and your sales will be rolling in like anything.